歡迎嚟到香港藝術中心15樓藝域嘅 showcase。感謝大家今日蒞臨迷你兵團集結號拼貼藝術比賽2025至2026作品展覽同埋頒獎典禮。
今次咧，我哋點樣揀 Glacier 咧？咁我哋希望學生咧做緊個 collage 嗰時咧，就都會諗下、傾下偈啊，真係諗下哦，今時今日個 Glacier 對個世界係有咩影響嘅？
咁好榮幸咧，我今日代表建藝術中心啦，咁啊同大家咧欣賞好多年輕藝術家嘅作品嘅，咁啊透過拼貼嘅創作咧，不但只係喺個學習個方面啦，睇到佢哋個技巧啦、觀察力啦、創作力啦、想像力啊等等，睇到你嘅自信心嘅表達、學習嘅表達同埋內心嘅想法。
I deal with a lot of science. Science is logic and it's to do with the head, but art comes from the heart. Art has a kind of wisdom that science cannot touch, right? And I think when you look through all these pictures, that you can feel all this is expressed through a huge amount of creativity.
成個比賽、成個活動咧係相當有意義嘅。啲小朋友藉住咁樣做，已經係體會到好多嘢，唔使講太多。我哋幾個評審咧喺揀嘅時候咧，咁我會體會到咧，佢哋係用咗好多精神、好多時間，就算冇攞獎，可能係就咁剪出嚟嗰啲，其實都係相當好嘅作品嚟嘅。